So looking ahead to next semester for submission 2 that you will do during classroom management in the fall, you may want to just take a peek at the submission 2 documents and what is going to be required there. So basically you will upload some kind of artifact from your coursework, from any of your volunteer hours, from any experiences you've had during your program that match each one of these standards. So I would suggest between now and next fall, looking over what these standards are and thinking about what kind of things you're doing in your coursework now or last fall or over the summer or any of your experiences that might match these different standards and start to create a digital file, a Google Doc file, or save them all on a flash drive somewhere where you have easy access to them. They do not need to be graded. They just need to be the artifact or a reflection, anything that you've done in these courses that you can upload here. So for example, standard 6 is assessment artifact, and the standard is that you can use assessment to inform your practice. So right now you're doing your reading and tutoring. If you're writing any kind of reflection over an assessment you've given a student and then made a decision on what you're going to do to move them forward from that assessment, if you wrote a letter to the parents explaining the assessment results and how you're going to use them, that would be a great artifact for standard 6, which is assessment. If you look at standard 5, it talks about integration. So if you have done any kind of project or lesson plan or any kind of assignment that you've done, maybe in art, that integrated into another core area, then you can upload it here. So be thinking ahead to which artifacts, which assignments, which projects really speak to these standards. Diversity, if you've written any kind of paper or reflection over diversity in any of your placements, you want to think about saving that. So service, community outreach, if you've done any kind of volunteer work or service learning during your SPED class, you have to do certain hours out in the community. Think about writing a reflection or some kind of paper over that experience for standard 7. Just going to think ahead to what you might want to be saving for submission 2, which is next fall. It seems to be the most time-consuming and intense submission. So if you can kind of collect those artifacts now, then you will have that out of the way for next time.